Hi, this is Larson. Basically this is the PHP wall assignment that I created. Um, Earlier I was encountering an error that basically this table was named well the field for the post date and time was incorrect, so that's why I was getting an error. Anyway, I changed it to this correct um, field name. So now it's working properly. So first is you can register through here. I already created some users here, so let me just delete all of these. Okay, alright, so I shouldn't be able to log in anymore. Okay, so first is we can register through here. Okay, so that went well. So as you can see, the username was already captured in the database. So what if we try to use the same username? Okay, it will catch an error that says it already exists. So what if we add another user? Let's leave that blank. Okay, so it goes through this one first. So let's say an incorrect password and an incorrect email. So it returns invalid email and the passwords do not match. So let's just create two users so that we can see how the post and reply works. So there will be two Larsons here. Anyway, so let's log in as Larson. Okay, let me just log out first. Let's try to make an incorrect password. Larson 3. Okay, that's good. It catches the error. So from here, this has been piped by PHP code. The logout button as a separate PHP file. And okay, so from here we can start posting. So if we log out and log in as a different user, so as you may have noticed, there was a delete button here, but now it's gone because this post is not for Larson2 username. So this username is not allowed to delete any post that does not belong to that username. Okay, so let's try that. Okay, so I can see the delete button here. I log in again. So as you can see, I have the delete button, but I don't have a delete button for this reply. So as you can see, I can delete my own reply. So I can delete specific replies here if I wanted to. So let's delete this one. Okay. So as you can see, it stayed the same. Okay, so let's try another post, another thread. So as you can see, the newsfeed is actually ordered by the the date and time when it was posted in a descending order. Anyway, so I can delete my reply and my post, and but I cannot delete this. So if I log in as, okay, so I can delete this. Actually, if I logged in as a different user and posted a reply here, I can delete the whole post if I'm logged in as the owner of the post. So there you go. So that's how my PHP wall works. So basically this is the PHP page for the index file or the login page. So I'm just scrolling down to let you see the code on how I put it. So the login.php. First, let's go to the connection.php. So I just use the MySQL connect function. So login PHP. So we have the if statements here to check if the user is valid or not. And then once we've logged in, let's go to the profile.php. So we have another SQL statement here to basically get the username, and um, basically another SQL statement to get all the posts and arrange it by the post date and time and in a descending order, so that each new post will be at the very top of the page. So for each user post, we'll have an option to um, delete delete the post if the user ID and the session ID matches, and also just show the poster name. So the replies. So these are the replies in the wall. So again, it's ordered by this time the replies are in ascending order. So you'll see um, the latest reply at the bottom instead of the top. And again, a function to check, or basically a condition statement to check if the reply post um, is the same as the user IDs who is logged in. Okay. So sorry, I didn't go through this one. So anyway, this is how we register. So it's in a different PHP file. So it catches if the email is valid, if the passwords do not match, if the confirmed password is not empty, and if there are errors, then basically just go to this one. If there's none, we'll go and check if the user exists. If not, then we'll create it. Okay, so so this is the post.php, which allows me to post or add data in the database, in the wall database, and then basically return it into the page. Okay, so here's the reply PHP. So it will just add the replies into this table, and the delete PHP, checking if the post reply ID has been set. Then just delete the reply, and the post ID. Delete all the replies first, and then basically delete the post in the user's wall table. And that's it. So for the logout, just use a session destroy and just redirect to index.php. Alright, so that's it, and thank you.